An ancestor may decree a principle onto the Orphan, or a rule, which he wishes the rest of his lineage to follow for the rest of time. For example, there's a story in my community about a man who found a young boy who was lined up to be sold as a slave hundreds of years ago. The man felt great sadness knowing what was going to happen to the little boy, so he approached the slavers in anger and began swearing that the boy was his child. They should release him. This is his son. Now, because of his pleas and because he continuously vowed that this was his son, the slavers released the boy, despite the man never knowing the boy before seeing him at that site. That boy's descendants today cannot marry members of the man who freed him's descendants because, due to the fact that he swore upon the Orphan that this was his child, they have now become family. And intermarriage between both families is now considered incest, despite having no blood relation. When an individual and family has kept true to the principles of the Orphan, they have opened their hands to receive blessings from their ancestors. This can be in the form of physical blessings, such as progeny and inheritance, or astral blessings, such as protection, guidance, wisdom, unity, and progress.